Hollywood star Halle Berry just said something about Fiji that every one of us already knew. She just recently visited Kokomo Private Island. I think that's one of those exclusive resorts of Vunda in the Western Division of Vunda Island. So she visited the private resort to celebrate her 60th birthday with a lovo. And when she got home, she posted, in quote, "It's true, Fiji has the happiest people on earth." She's not wrong. But here's what I want to ask. Where does that happiness come from? Well, it comes from our values. One is Veidokai. Veidokai, honoring every person who walks through your door. Another one, two, Veinanumi, remembering people, making them feel seen. Veiciqomi, welcoming with humility and grace. The resort staff didn't learn that from a training manual. They learned it from their culture, from their language, from their village. This is what we are preserving on this channel. Halle Berry experienced our culture for one holiday. Our diaspora children deserve to carry it for a lifetime. So start with the Fijian alphabet. Link is in the bio.